So you want to start a business, huh? Big dreams. Well, let me tell you, starting a business is like trying to build a house with one hand tied behind your back. You've got the tools, but you're not sure how to put them together. That's where a business plan comes in. It's your blueprint, your roadmap, your secret weapon to avoiding a DIY disaster. If your business isn't solid on paper, it won't stand strong in the real world. Think about business planning. Think of it like planning a road trip. You need a map, right? Well, your business plan is that map. Let's break it down into 7 simple steps. I'm Nick, and I'm here to make that process easy for you. Understanding your customer. Are you aiming for DIY homeowners, professional contractors, or something in between? Knowing your customers inside and out is the first step to building a successful business. Reaching your customers. How will your customers find you? This is where your marketing strategy comes in. Will you rely on social media, email marketing, or the old-fashioned word of mouth? Think of it like planning a party. You gotta send out invites, right? Your unique selling proposition. What is it that makes you special? Why should people choose your hardware store over the others? Is it your prices, your products, or your amazing customer service? Your USP is your secret weapon to attract customers. Essential activities. Before you open your doors, you've got some tasks to complete. Think of it like a to-do list for your business. What needs to be done? Write it down. This could include anything from product sourcing to store design. Partnerships. Who will you be working with? Who are your partners, and who does your business depend on? Is it suppliers, the post office, or others? Know the key people and organizations that are important to your business. Revenue streams. How's the money coming in? Selling products, offering services, or maybe even creating online courses. You gotta find different ways to make money. It's like having multiple streams of income. Financial projections. Money in, money out. It's simple math, right? Figure out how much you'll spend on rent, employees, and everything else. Make sure you're bringing in more than you're spending. Creating a business plan may seem scary, but we've broken it down for you. Stick around for the next video where we dive deeper into starting a hardware store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Till next time, see you guys later. Take care.